In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio website Squarespace. Start by heading to Squarespace and click Create Website. This takes you straight into the template area where you can quickly narrow things down. In the search bar, type portfolio to surface designs made for showcasing work. To refine the results even further, select the Resumes and Portfolios category. This filter focuses on clean, visual layouts that make projects, case studies, and personal branding stand out. You'll see a brief setup flow. Click Next to continue, and then click Next again. These prompts help Squarespace suggest styles that match your goals, but don't worry, you can change anything later. When you're ready to browse the actual designs, click Choose a template. Take a moment to explore. Open a few demos, scroll through the pages, and imagine your own content in those spots. If you have lots of visuals, look for strong grid galleries. If you prefer storytelling, a template with bold typography and section-based pages may be best. Prioritize readability, white space, and a clear path for visitors to contact you. Once you've found a favorite, click Start with this design. Squarespace will create a working copy for you to customize. When your site loads, click Edit Site to open the builder. On the page itself, click Edit to activate inline editing so you can change text, images, and sections directly. Now, personalize the template to your liking. Replace the hero headline with your name or focus area and add a short, clear tagline. Swap demo images with your own high-quality work. Consistent image sizes help everything look polished. Update project titles and descriptions so they quickly explain what the project is, your role, and the outcome. If a section doesn't serve you, remove it. If you need emphasis on something important, drag sections to reorder them. Check your navigation labels. Keep them short and obvious like work, about, and contact. Open the style settings to adjust colors and fonts so they reflect your brand while keeping contrast high for readability. As you edit, use buttons and links to point visitors to your portfolio items or contact options. Preview on mobile to make sure text wraps cleanly and images crop correctly. Most visitors will see your site on a phone first. Save as you go to lock in changes. That's it. You've selected a focused portfolio template, started with the design you like, opened the editor, and customized it to fit your work. Keep refining your content and visuals until it feels unmistakably yours.